Namita Didi's timetable. Read, listen carefully and enact. Namita gets up at 7 in the morning and brushes her teeth. Between 7 and 8, she does household work and goes through the newspaper. Between 8 and 8:30, she takes shower. She eats her breakfast between 8:30 and 9. Between 9 and 10, she attends a driving class. She is learning to drive a car. Between 10 and 10:30, she packs her lunch and gets ready to go. Between 10:30 and 11, she travels to her office. From 11 to 5, she is at work. She comes home at 5:30 in the evening and takes tea. Then she goes jogging in a park from 6 to 7 in the evening. She watches TV up to 9 o'clock. Till 9 o'clock, she also does household work and sometimes listens to music. She takes dinner at 9 and she reads book and goes to sleep at 11. Listen to the time and mime what Namita does at that time. એટલે ટાઈમ પર એ ટાઈમ ઉપર નમિતા શું કરે છે એ બતાડો. જેવી રીતે 7:45 AM મીન્સ 7:45 એ નમિતા શું કરે છે? 7:45 which is nothing but 7:45. એટલે નમિતા between 7 and 8 she does household work and goes through the newspaper. So at 7:45 Namita does household work and goes through the newspaper. तो आ आंसर છે. જેવી રીતે 8:15 AM मतलब what does Namita does at 8:15 AM? तो Namita between 8 and 8:30 she takes shower. मतलब at 8:15 Namita takes shower. Right? હવે next 8:45 AM मतलब 8:45. 8:45 AM એ નમિતા શું કરે છે? તો between 8:45 AM मतलब આવ્યું. Right? She eats her breakfast between 8:30 and 9. એટલે 8:30 અને 9 ના વચ્ચે she eats her breakfast. તો at 8:45 Namita eats her breakfast. Next છે 9:30 AM. 9:30 AM એ નમિતા શું કરે છે? તો 9:30 मतलब between 9 and 10. तो she attends driving classes. She is learning to drive a car. तो Namita at 9:30 is learning, attending driving lessons and learning to drive a car. Right? હવે next શું છે? 10 PM. PM એટલે શું થયું? રાત થઈ. રાઈટ? તો રાતના 10 PM એ નમિતા શું કરે છે? તો she takes dinner at 9 એટલે 9 વાગ્યા તક તો she is having her dinner. Then she reads book and goes to sleep. मतलब 10 o'clock તક નમિતા read book and goes to sleep. એટલે ખાલી book read કરે છે ને. સુવા તો 11 વાગે જાય છે. તો 10 વાગે she is reading book. એટલે નમિતા is reading book at 10. Right? હવે એવી રીતે જ આ 3 o'clock, 5:30 PM, 6:30 PM, 8:30 PM અને 12 o'clock તક એ શું કરે છે એ તમે મને લખીને બતાડો. ઓકે, બાય.